Hey everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to find someone's location on Google Map using phone number. Okay, the first thing that you should do is to simply grab someone's phone, grab his own phone that you want to follow, then go and open the Google Maps on this phone. And once you click on his profile picture, you want to go and click on location sharing. Once you click on location sharing, click on new share. Then you want to select the messages from this area right here. Then you want to go and click on share. Then you want to add or select your phone number just in order to give you a message telling you exactly where is this someone or this person who is holding the phone, where is he exactly. So simply choose your number, and now you want to have to open your mobile number. Now I'm on my mobile. Then I'm gonna search for Google Maps and get the location of the someone's holder that I have actually tracked. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.